We'll guide you through how to fix a new SSD or HDD, also known as a hard drive, not showing up in Windows 11 and 10. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. This can be super annoying as you've just gone and installed it, and when you go and open up your file explorer, it's not showing up and therefore you can't go and use it. So to go and fix this, it's super straightforward. What we need to do is go and allocate the space. So come to the bottom of your computer and click on search, and you can go and type in disk partitions. Go and click on it. If you can't see it, type in the entire thing. Then the disk management app will go and open up. Go down to the second part here and go and scroll down until you can go and see the disks and drives and go and find the one you just installed. You can see the space over to the left here and it's going to be unallocated. To allocate it, right click on it and click on use simple volume and tap next. Then click next. You can go and choose the drive letter, then press next, and you can then go and choose the settings. Personally, I don't change these. You could change the label if you want to, then click next and press finish. Now go and wait, it'll go and be formatted. When it's finished, you go and get this pop-up, and what you can then do is open up your file explorer, and there it is. You can now go and use it, put files on it, etc.